Hi there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be talking about DJI Mini 3 Pro. DJI has just launched the Mini 3 Pro, a small drone that weighs less than 250 grams, like the Mini 2. The purpose of achieving this weight is that EASA regulations are much laxer with drones below this figure in several countries. The drone is capable of recording in 4K and 60 FPS, has an obstacle detection system to minimize accidents, and has a flight time, according to DJI, of over 30 minutes. These are its technical features and specifications. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is one of the lightest camera drones on the market, weighing only 249 grams. It is the natural evolution of the DJI Mini 2, debuting a new 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor and increasing its recording capacity to 4K at 60 FPS. Likewise, it promises to increase its flight time to 34 minutes. The body of the drone has been redesigned to improve its aerodynamics, and it has a controller that allows you to preview the flight in full HD quality. Another new feature of this drone compared to previous models is the ability to record vertical video. The camera gimbal rotates 90 degrees, offering optimized images directly for social networks. For the first time in the Mini series, there is omnidirectional object detection. This allows to have vision coverage through the front, rear, and bottom sensors, to prevent the drone from crashing. In the same way, these sensors allow to focus on objects and keep them framed, a focus tracking system of all life. The controller has also been renewed, with phone support and an integrated 5.5-inch screen. Its brightness is 700 nits, so it should look good enough in fairly bright environments. There is no lack of external add-ons, such as an extended battery, a fast-charging charger, or the screwdriver pack. The DJI Mini 3 Pro, without remote control, will go on sale for $669. The other packs go up to $759 in the case of including the GRC N1 controller and $909 in the case of the model that includes the GRC. The kits are sold separately, with the DJI Mini 3 Pro Fly More pack for $189 with an extended battery, among others. And the most ambitious pack is the Fly More Plus, for $249, which includes a bidirectional charging hub, 2 sets of propellers, and a shoulder bag. Here ends our video on DJI Mini 3 Pro. We hope you find it very useful. If you have any suggestion, kindly share with us in the comments section. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please click on the notification bell in front of the subscribe button to turn on notification for this channel, so as to notify you when I post new video. Thank you for watching.